a vacancy for California or
New
NY?
York.
Or New York or NY. Okay,
Alright.
New York.
It's okay. So currently we do not have openings in California or New York, but we do have vacancies in Texas, New Mexico, in North Dakota, in New Hampshire, and in Minnesota. So we are
Yeah.
currently looking for MS, ICU with cardiac experience,
Yeah.
and we are also looking for telemetry and ER.
And ER.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So kung nandun kayo sa mga area na yon, and if you are interested to apply in those states that I mentioned, I encourage I encourage you na mag-apply sa mga itong states na to.
Yeah.
Kasi itong mga states na to, ito yung mga states na may low tax that I in relation to the PWD that I mentioned a while ago.
Yes, ayan.